你做 orphanage 做咩唔喺馬來西亞做？做咩喺泰蘭做？Actually 我哋掹係修行嘅，唔係做 orphanage 嘅，唔係做善事嗰啲嘢，好似你哋咁做善事嘅。因為我哋掹係冇錢嘅，我哋掹227 rules 227 rules 第37同第38條係唔可以拎錢。Cannot have money, cannot have money, cannot take money and buy and sell and buy and buy. So you can't do anything. You just practice only, just for practice. The monk life is just for practice. So why I have the orphanage? 呢個係睇緣分嘅嘛。好似你喺泰國啊，你睇到人啊跌落嚟，咁你好心你咪扶佢起嚟咯。咁佢哋就問我做咩你唔喺馬來西亞做個 orphanage？ 我冇理由翻嚟馬來西亞睇邊個跌落嚟，我走去扶起啊！呢個唔係我嘅工作。其實我呢個唔係我工作。咁啱我喺 Hill Tribe 嗰度我喺 Hill Tribe 山區入邊practice 我哋喺嗰度揾到呢個 tudung 當監掹緊我哋，所以我就遇到我一個細路佢喺寺院入邊forest monastery 我就問佢做咩呢個細路喺呢度嘅？佢哋講你哋冇老豆老母咗啦，佢阿婆又好老啦，好老咗養唔起自己都養唔好自己，咁佢就放佢呢個細路哥嚟呢個 forest monastery 啦，所以嗰啲 forest monk 即係揾到拎㗎嘛，揾到拎嘅時候又變到不得咗，剩翻個 food 就俾嗰個細路咯，嗰個細路就留翻多啲喺晏晝afternoon evening咧，所以我講唔得呢度又咪孤兒院，我哋走咗，我哋揾到拎嚟呢度 practice 咗，我哋就走㗎咯喎，咁呢個細路邊個負責啊？唔可以咁樣掉㗎嘛，咁我就好心咯，泰國人好奇怪㗎，你好平常，不過我哋係 Malaysia Chinese 嘛，我哋就好八卦，我哋就好八卦啦，好平常㗎嘛，我哋嘅心係咁樣諗咁就點樣可以幫到你咧？就係借個電話打翻嚟馬來西亞啦，問我 sister 啦，你要唔要要唔要？即係講唔係領養領養就要去翻到馬來西亞㗎嘛？你係助養叫咩？華文叫助養叫什麼？
幫手養。
幫手咁養佢啦。咁我就去揾一個retired teacher，Hill Tribe 嘅retired teacher，跟住就呢個細路哥俾佢啦，問我 sister 可唔可以好似寄錢嚟俾個retired teacher啦，咁就 OK 啦，大家幫下手咁啦，咁冇問題喎，嗰個 teacher 又好開心喎，因為佢冇仔女嘅，亦都好開心啦。咁第二年我再嚟嘅時候，因為呢個山區好大，又東有中間有下邊你行唔晒嘅，有好大嘅山區，有嗰啲 cave，有龍虎灣浸灣practice 嘅地方，有嗰啲行下 practice 嘅地方，我哋都想去嗰度 practice 嘛，嗰啲山區嘛 practice 嘛，所以第二年我又走翻嚟咯，又走翻嚟呢個地方。喺個 teacher 遇到我又問我伯爹，你要唔要再收多幾個啊？唔關我事。我問你咩事？你講嗰啲headmaster 嗰啲校長喺山區入邊嘅嗰啲小學山區入邊嘅小學你喺山區入邊係咪normally係兩個禮拜出嚟一擺？因為山路好遠好難行好危險添。咁你出嚟一擺就賣嘢咯，賣嗰啲米或者食嘅嘢啦，食嘅嘢翻去嘅 Hill Tribe Village 度 So 你講話，你嚟到嘅時候係咪？你哋就住喺你嘅屋企咯，住喺佢屋企嘛，因為翻唔到㗎喎，你係佢再翻嚟咪就夜晚咗啦，好危險，睇唔到路嘅，山區嘅路 off road off road 嚟嘅唔方便，所以你一定要早晨翻嚟。所以又睇到你有細佬哥啊？你有細佬哥啊？你知道佢冇細佬㗎嘛？冇細佬哥㗎嘛？如果你有細佬哥啊，你講係咯，咁佢又問咯，你要唔要咧？我嗰度有4個喎，又係惡分喎，掉喺山區又唔知掉邊度好啊，就係掉喺學堂啊，掉喺學堂喎。不過個 school 啊冇咁嘅錢係有細佬哥㗎嘛，咁我佢哋都係頭痛啊，咁就問啦。問佢啦，佢講話要等師傅嚟先啦。等佢遇到師傅就問啦。佢又問我喎，佢講今年係問我，師傅你要唔要細佬哥啊？我講 OK 啦，你借個電話俾我，我又歡翻你啦。問你咁啱喎，我個 sister 啊，又生意又好咗啲喎，嗰時仲未做生意佢升級咗啦，應該係升級咗啦。咁又好啲咗啦，佢講可以啊，幾個啊？我就幫佢講啦。OK， 第2年一個5個咗啦，第3年16個。16個你要租山區啊，你要租3間屋啊，一間俾男仔嘅，一間俾女仔嘅，一間係嗰個 teacher 同嗰個細路嘅，最細嘅細路嘅。咁就有個 finish 3年啊，幾年咗咯。唔係3年，3-4年，3-4年喺我 sister 每一年啊要寄50千啊，馬幣過去，running 嘅，所以我又諗到啦，呢個唔關我事㗎嘛，我哋做咩變咗我嘅 sister 嘅 burden 啊？唔關我事㗎嘛，咁我走咗咧，我翻咗馬來西亞咧，呢個就要點樣做咧？嗰就好麻煩。如果我翻馬來西亞咧，我快啲想我就翻嚟馬來西亞啦，我冇諗到啦，我冇諗到啦，我到而家都冇瞓27年咯。講啱你翻嚟馬來西亞有1年翻嚟馬來西亞，我 sister 寄買一個機票AirAsia 嘅應該，俾我翻喺馬來西亞，因為新年嘛。唐人新年嘛就翻去見我老母咯，我老母仲喺啦嗰時啦，而家唔喺啦喎。咁嗰啲十字社啊，十字社叫咩英文？咩叫先啊？佢哋啊就知道我翻嚟，你講話阿珍，我嚟拜年啦 ，OK 咯。你拜年都你就問我啦，你仲有影相冇啊？你出咗家仲有影相冇？我講有啊，我仲有影相啊，我擠落嚟咗嘅，不過第2年啊，我又執翻起嚟嗰個相機，我翻晒嗰啲嘢咗冇㗎啦，冇咗嘢啊，我哋乜嘢都唔可以有啊。不過第2年咧，又叫我 sister 我翻一個相機俾我。做咩嘢咧？唔係影靚嘅嘢，唔係影相㗎，係 record 個 monk 嘅 life 喺課裏入邊 monk 嘅 life。因為我翻嚟馬來西亞，我探一拖佢哋唔明白嘅喎，乜嘢係 forest monk？They don't know. They don't know what is the forest monk. What they do? What they practice? They don't know. Actually, is no forest monk, no city monk. Actually, all the monks should be forest monks. All the monks should be forest monks because this is the original tradition of the Buddha. Buddha born at the forest, Lumbini. Buddha enlightened at the forest, at the Bodhi tree, under the Bodhi tree. Buddha, the first teaching to the 5 people at the forest. Buddha Nibbana at the forest. And then Buddha teaching is the forest. Yeah. Even even the Raja, I mean the king who invite the Buddha go to Dana to there. After that, because so far to go back to forest, they will overnight one night at the city where the Buddha sleep is not in the palace. The monk sleep in the garden of the palace, you know. So why 平火沙罗王 the king of Pintasara offer the garden, the bamboo garden belong to the palace, offer to the Buddha. This is the first forest who offer to the Sangha. It's a bamboo forest monastery. So the original tradition is the forest tradition. So now the day we cannot talk we talk two more and then they don't like. So that's it for today. So sorry. And then he saw my picture is really 你好中意啊！你冇睇過啊呢相，你講可唔可以去拎去做 exhibition 啊？我講 OK 啊，你咪拎起啦。So there's a first exhibition at the My Resort Exhibition Center. The first after the first many Buddhist society know they all continue to exhibition， 所以就出名咗咯。就出名咗喎，我就趁住呢個機會啦講我一個 finish， 我趁住呢個機會講我一個 finish， 我哋要買一塊地啦，要成日租個房咁啊，租個屋企咁就嘥錢啊，我哋要做一個 finish， 所以就籌錢咯，就係嗰個 exhibition 咧籌錢咯，5 個 5 country 籌到500幾千，500幾千咧就拎360千咧買咗一塊地，最邊際嘅，最邊最夠即係講嗰個 city 最邊嘅，呢個係 city， 最邊嘅就係山區啦，就係山，我哋喺嗰度，不過又好近嗰個 airport， 個 airport 5 kilometer 嗰啲，好近，因為山區佢淨係有18先嘅 flat land 啊嘛，所以all inside the airport inside 乜嘢都喺入邊啊，都係細細噶，所以我哋就好近咯，所以就起咯，有好多人幫忙，360千剩翻百幾千，剩翻百幾千起啊，actually 唔夠，actually唔夠嘅。不過我嘅 friend 咁好咯，嗰個姻緣怎麼講？姻緣，我嘅姻緣比較好啲咯。我嗰啲 friend 全部都變咗老細嘅，大老細嘅。佢嚟揾我嘅時候講：我話真，你做 orphanage 好啊，我哋都嚟幫你設計啦，唔係幫你捐錢啊，幫你設計。免費幫你設計 landscape design 啦，石山 famous one 石山 Chris Wong 你哋全部嚟咯，嚟幫我睇咯，睇個地畫咯，畫到好靚，我睇到哇呢畫到咁靚我都好中意，不過你睇我做唔到發夢啦，only dream so beautiful， 咁啊係要幾多？你講1.2 million， 我意思我講個發夢我而家剩翻百幾千啫，1.2你講我冇相干，師傅你得去籌啦，我講我冇得籌㗎啦，我喺咗5 country 咗啦，我籌咗5 country， 我亦都唔好意思，馬騮你籌錢我唔好意思所以講我都幫你籌啦，你講我都幫你籌啦，係有。佢哋做 design 嘅嗰啲嘢㗎係咪？好多 shopping mall 係佢哋做嘅喎。 所以佢哋講話佢哋位大老細咯，你有5個大老細，5個大老細一人捐幾十萬就得啦，1.2 million就搞掂㗎啦。你係咁講啦，我講啊，你去揾。咁啊，你講啊，阿珍石生就講啦，阿珍你係唔啱嘅，咁我5個 client 入邊啊，其中一個係唔知誰嚟喎，我就問佢先，我每一個人都去問，我問佢先，睇你籌俾你幾多，你捐俾你幾多，咁佢就去問我，你個蚊啊 ，confidential，咩？佢又講係阿振七同阿 Vision 喎，我講我又識得阿振七同阿 Vision 嘅講，所以係 actually 係上媽，接單摩啊舊底，咁接單摩咪講啦，上媽啦，你講 OK 冇問題 ，how much 1.2 OK 1.2已經晒，發夢啦，就係發夢咯 ，OK 啦就 finish 咯。咁咧就好多新加坡呢人啊，因為佢錢大嘛，佢哋每年啊年尾我哋都幫佢哋，年尾佢哋有 bonus 嘛，佢哋 bonus 1個月、2個月、3個月都有喎，3個月嘅 bonus、2個月嘅 bonus，所以我哋就揾，我哋就打廣告咁樣 OK，你哋邊個要take the children，即係講 take care，所以佢哋邊咯，所以而家大部分都係新加坡人啊支持。因為我係新加坡嗰個禮賓啦，達馬法家嘅宗教導師，advice 嗰個叫咩？advice，咯。所以而家我冇咩翻嚟啊，做咩冇得翻嚟？因為 Covid 嘅時候，佢哋教我用 online 嘛，一個 laptop 一個鏡頭就 online 都唔使翻嚟咯。到而家我都冇翻，到而家被逼翻嚟啊，因為我 visa run out 咗 visa，我哋3個都 run out 咗 visa，我哋要翻嚟。淨係講嘅緣分咧，我哋可以見面啊。出啲冇諗到㗎，我冇諗到要翻嚟。如果有機會啊，你睇到我嘅時候，我嘅地方，我 practice 嘅地方，你就知道做咩我唔會翻嚟。Why? Because very beautiful. Just like heaven. Okay. Thank you for the food. 喺我哋回向俾你哋啊。Yatha waliwaha pura kalipurenti sagalang evam mevam ito tinang ketanang upakapati ijitang patikang tongham jivamewa samichantu sape purentu sangkapa canto panaraso yatha manijo tiraso yatha Sabalogo vinasatu mate bawa wantarayo sukhi dikayuko bawa apiwadana sile sanicang huta bajaino jataro dhamma watanti ayuwano sukhang Palang bhavatu sapamangkalang Rakantu sabadevata Sabbabuddha nupavena sata soti bhavantu te Awatu sabamangkalang Rakantu sabadevata Sabba dhamma nupavena sata soti bhavantu te Awatu sabba manggarang rakantu sabba devata sabba sangha nupavena sata suti bhavantu te. Sadhu